Good evening, guys. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday evening through Wednesday, January 16 to 18, 2023. And these are brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GravSat for today, Monday, to tomorrow, Tuesday. The LPA 97W has weakened somewhat here, and another LPA has formed over or in the vicinity of Palawan, and this is a shallow LPA, and it's moving towards the west, and its trough will continue to affect Visayas, Mindanao, Bicol region, Mimaropa, and we have another surge of the northeast monsoon now affecting northern and eastern Luzon, and it's already approaching the Bicol region. So expect some breezy conditions with some on and off rainfall across the coastal waters of Bicol region and eastern sections of Luzon. Light drizzles to moderate rainfall will be expected, and this will persist for the rest of the week as the monsoon will remain strong through Monday next week. So choppy or large waves across the coastal waters of Luzon will be expected, and on and off rainfall will also be expected throughout the week because of a impending shear line which is expected to approach Bicol region beginning tomorrow through Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, so right now, the risk of floods and landslides will be at low to medium, but in the next few days, it will be upgraded to high. So please take all necessary precautions. Here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. There you go. These are increasing cumulonimbus clouds over Camarines Norte, particularly, and also along the Partido district of Camarines Sur. Expect some on and off rain to at times continuous light to moderate rainfall with some patches of heavy to intense rainfall. So please take all necessary precautions. And here's the zoom in satellite animation. This is the infrared shot during the past 6 hours. You can clearly observe here increasing cloudiness and rainfall across the coastal waters of Partido district, and also across the portions of across the coastal areas of Partido district, including Camarines Norte. Will have rainfall because of the northeast monsoon. And later on, with the next few days, possible development of another shear line. Okay, and here's the forecast when it comes to the wind for the next 3 days until Friday. So this afternoon, Tuesday, the LPA is now expected to move towards the Spratly Islands, passing south of Kalayaan Island Group, and it remains as a shallow one, and it will slightly enhance the northeast monsoon across the West Philippine Sea and the South China Sea area, and extreme northern and eastern Luzon will be experiencing the northeast monsoon, and it will expand across the Bicol region on Wednesday, Thursday until Friday, with some winds penetrating across the northernmost part of Sulu Archipelago, which includes Cuyo Island, Amanpulu, and Pamalican, as well as the northern portions of the Palawan and the Calamian group. The rest of Visayas will remain on light to moderate northeasterly winds. And so far for the next 3 days, the monsoon will be just concentrated along the Luzon area, particularly the eastern and northern portions, which includes the Bicol region. Here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. So as you can see, the bulk of the rainfall will be concentrated along the West Philippine Sea because of the departing shallow LPA, and it's affecting also Calamian group and the northern portions of Palawan. And along the eastern seaboards of Luzon, we have the effect of the northeast monsoon together with the new shoreline, bringing some rainfall of light to moderate to at times heavy and intense. And this graph shows heavy to intense rainfall that will occur for the next 3 days until Friday, and it will be more frequent over the Polillo Island and the coastal areas and northern Quezon. Okay, while over the Bicol region along the coastal areas of Camarines Norte, Partido District, and Catanduanes will be affected by the shoreline, and some of them will penetrate the whole of the Bicol region, which includes Naga and Iriga. So watch out for more rainfall, particularly come Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, so if we take a look at the daily rainfall this afternoon, we could expect the development of the shoreline and still bring some drizzle to light rains to at times moderate heavy to intense rainfall across Camarines Norte and portions of Partido District. Wednesday afternoon, continuing effects of the shoreline will be expected across Bicol region and also extending across Calabarzon and also eastern portions of Metro Manila. Thursday afternoon, the shoreline will remain there, affecting Bicol region with some light rainfall, and on Friday, and some rainfall will also be expected across southern Palawan because of the trough from the departed low pressure area. Friday afternoon, again rainfall will continue on and off, light to moderate to at times heavy and intense across the Bicol region because of the stationary shoreline, and that will be the forecast for Friday. Okay, so there you go, that's the latest, and we will return again within the next couple of days. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Be #WeatherWiser. Take care always, and thank you so much for watching our channel.